Hi there, my name is Ruth and welcome to today's video. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're staying safe. So today we are going to unbox a Combustion Analyzer by UEI. And before we go straight into the unboxing, please click the button below to subscribe, and if you want to get notification when we upload any videos, click the bell button down below and don't forget to leave a tap.
So this will be a review of Combustion Analyzer unit. This is from a company called UEI and the model number is C85. Right, it comes in this handy bag. Around it just has a carrier provision and one for hand holding. Going in, this is how the box or the package looks like. A bit about the instrument before we go on. This combustion analyzer is used for measurement of combustion parameters. And these include measuring system temperatures, oxygen levels, carbon monoxide levels, as well as system pressures. The applications can range from air conditioning units or heat pump systems, as well as commercial boilers or boiler water heaters. It can also be used in measuring the efficiencies of furnaces. Okay, so this is how the package comes. We shall start with the main unit, of course. This is the main unit that gathers all the data and helps you process it. It has 4 main buttons. It has this display screen. It has a dial selector to select any parameter that you might require while using it. It has an indicator light down here to show you the battery status. Over to the side, it has a water trap as well as a particle filter which is inside. Okay, it comes with this rubberized case which has a magnetic provision and is used to at least protect the device from any faults or any knocks. Okay. With the device is this manual. Again, the manual also lets you know about the components as well as the configuration. So this is how the manual looks like. There is a separate manual for the printer, which you shall come to check. Okay, so just going back. Before I go on, let's look at the other part of this combustion analyzer, which is the sensing probe. So this is how it looks like. The sensing probe contains 2 other parts, which one is the temperature transmitter, and this is the flue gas inlet. They both connect to the bottom of the meter. This section and this section to give you the combustion parameters. The sensing probe can be adjusted to be put inside the whichever duct system that you might want to measure its temperature or efficiency. That is it for the sensing probe. It's quite a lengthy probe, I'd say in excess of just about 2 meters. So that's plenty enough to go into whichever system you might be measuring its parameters. We have the printing unit. Still comes with these rechargeable batteries. And this is what you would use to print out the results of the measured parameters from the combustion analyzer. The component here is your AC power supply. So this is what you would use to recharge either your main measuring device to a printer, because they both come with rechargeable batteries. So this is what you use. Quite a hefty piece. And here, finally, just have the printing paper, as well as some extra batteries, just in case you're on site and you need backup. Overall, the package looks nice, and it's very handy the way it's nicely separated.